So to continue with the theme of making food with kimchi, today I'll be making Kimchi볶음밥, otherwise known as Kimchi Fried Rice. Here are the ingredients that I used. Instead of using a hot dog, you can add in Spam or other cuts of pork as a substitute. Now let's start off by preparing our ingredients. Make sure you mince your garlic and cut your kimchi into bite-sized pieces before starting. Cut the hot dog into small chunks and slice up your scallions. The green part of the scallions can be used to garnish your dish at the very end because it's weaker in flavor than the white part. Brunoise your onion so that it cooks quickly and you can use it to sweeten up your dish. Add sesame oil to a pan as well as your kimchi and then fry the kimchi on medium heat. Follow that up by adding your hot dog, your onion, and garlic. Then add in your rice and mix in gochujang thoroughly. I find that gochujang is quite overpowering, so the less you use, the better. And to finish, add in your scallions and garnish with sesame seeds. I hope you enjoyed making kimchi fried rice with me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.